All right, today we have a pair of Lowheat for the ladies, for the women, for the girls, or really just anyone who can fit them. But these are in women's sizing. So unfortunately, anyone with a giant foot like myself couldn't get these because only go up to 10.5 in men's, really. Kind of unfortunate. I do, having seen these once they first appeared, was very interested in them. I like the colors. I like the color blocking. But we'll see how badly I'm going to miss these once we have them in hand. And today, these are not mine. These are my ladies. So to help me unbox these and get the take from the person who will be wearing them, and might be a more relevant take, given that these are women's Jordans, we'll have her unbox these here in just a second. But officially, we have the women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in light iron ore in Varsity red sail. As I said, I think I said, the Chenille Jordan 1s. I guess I hadn't said that. Chenille, if you didn't know, we'll get to it in a second, but is the French word for caterpillar. I'd look that up on the wikis. But now if you want to do the honors, my lady, I unboxed it from the shipping. You can actually open the lid. Get the official oohs and ahs.
Everybody ready?
I'm ready. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ah.
Wow. I really
Gotta get
like
in frame there. There you go. Here. Why don't you pull out the other one while I keep this one in frame? Teamwork makes the dream work. Ooh, what are you thinking about these?
I like them better in hand, even.
Yeah.
On the site.
These kind of have there's gray up top. There's gray up top, so it kind of has the UNLV Dunk, be true to your school feel to them. But then on the bottom, it's the sail white. And then you got a cream colored midsole, red outsole. And then here's where we're going to get into the chenille. You got the yarn. Chenille's, I think, yarn really, but they call it that because the yarn looks like that of a caterpillar. And then you have this, I don't know if it's quilted tongue, but this fabric tongue in the same kind of gray color as on the inside, and the insole looks like same color too.
I really like the tongue. You
like this? Yeah,
yeah,
this textured.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. It's not the nylon, the typical nylon that's on most tongues. That's on, well, here, what are you wearing right now? These have nylon. These are the Stage Haze, I think, Jordan 1s that you just got in. We didn't do an unboxing video of those, but quick review, you like them, right?
I like them a lot, yes.
And you like them with
an everyday put on for me.
The bleached coral laces that matches the...
Nice pop of color to the shoe, which you could change out those laces to obviously be any color to match any outfit, but... And
ladies or guys who can fit these, I think these are both pretty affordable. Yeah. On the resale market. I don't think they're really going for much for above retail. Maybe once you factor in fees and shipping and stuff, but I think you can get these for basically retail if you're interested. Why don't you put that in can? So we got them partially on here. Ooh, interesting. So it comes with a
tag.
Hang tags. Some of these times comes with hang tags, but this one comes with, it looks like, ooh, in the chenille yarn. Here, get your foot there. God. Let's show the people the special hang tag it comes with. Oh, it's here. Actually, we're gonna have to tear that off right here.
Take that off.
Take it off. Take it off. Like.
You may do it.
I got it. You're not gonna lace those all up, are you? I don't got time for that.
I don't have time for that.
You don't have time for that. But you got your special
nice
yarn chenille hang tag, which is kind of cool.
No,
it's a patch. You could sew that onto something. You could sew that onto a varsity jacket or a varsity jacket.
Yeah.
A varsity Letterman jacket. That's cool. But here, why don't you step into frame here? Comes with extra laces. Comes with these cream off-white. Cream off-white laces that match the midsole. What laces do you think you like on them?
I'm going to start with the red, because you know I like a colored lace. Mm-hmm. But I could definitely see myself switching over to those.
Okay.
But I'll probably start with the red.
That's what they look like on foot, unlaced.
Yep.
First impressions, now that you have it on the foot a little bit?
So, because we have the Heritage,
Jordan ones.
unsure if I was going to keep these, because I forgot I had just bought those when I purchased these, because I got really excited. But I'm definitely going to keep these. These are really nice.
Yeah,
I'm a big fan of these.
I think these look pretty dope.
I do too. I like the
kind of have the St. John's feel, dunk high feel to them, or UNLV, like I pointed out, around the collar. They have they're kind of the, what was that All-Star Chicago Jordan pack, the 1985 pack that came out in the All-Star game a couple years ago. It has that color blocking. This, not quite the Chicago ones, a little flex here. 94 Chicago Air Jordan ones that I just picked up, traded in a bunch of shoes for these to get these from Syndicate. I had to put these on camera really quick. Yes. Not quite those, but these are great. I wish I could fit these.
I really like these.
I like these.
And I don't have any, again, just the textures.
Yeah.
I don't have any Jordans or any shoes with these textures on them currently.
Yeah, I think all the Jordan ones that you have, or most Jordan ones for in general, have a normal leather swoosh.
They do.
And then, so definitely for you, and then just in general, this is a different color swoosh, or different texture swoosh. But you like these haze ones even more though, right?
Then these, now that I have it on my foot, I don't know. These are more of an everyday, like I said. These I could just throw on without thinking.
Yeah, they'll go with everything.
They'll go with everything. And again, I like that I can change up the laces and it's not tied to anything. However, these are pretty nice.
Yeah.
I like the red. I like the gray. I like the off-white. I like the textures. I don't know.
Well, let's give a grade to these since we didn't make a video on those.
Yeah.
What out of 10, what would you grade those? I'll help you out. I think for my grade, I think I would give those. I like them better now that I see them, especially with laced up.
Yeah.
I'd give those a 7.25. It also has this, if you can put it up to camera, kind of this cracked leather.
Yes.
This dull cracked leather on the toe box. I give these a 7.25.
Okay. So I'm going to give them, I'm going to go up a little higher because, again, for me, these are like an everyday. I'm going to give these an 8.
Giving those an 8. Wow.
I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10, yeah.
Okay, and then what are we giving these?
For me, I'm going to say, I need to lace them up. I want to see them laced up on, but for now, I'm going to say 7.5. They're right under for me.
Okay, I think I flip-flopped. I think I like these slightly more. I can give these a 7.5.
Yeah, I can see that.
But you think you like those a little bit more. 8
I do,
and 7.5 for the Chenilles.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're still in the same ballpark. These are really sick. So if you're in the market for some Jordan ones and you can fit size 10.5 men's or under, or women's sizing, I definitely check out the Haze Jordan ones or these Varsity Red Chenille Jordan ones, either or, going for around retail. So this has been some definite women's Lowheat. We got a couple more pairs coming up, so subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But subscribe because we have a pair of dunks, women's dunks coming up. Lisa Leslie WNBA dunks coming up, and a very cool pair of, what are the
Air Force Ones.
The flea market?
Yes, the flea market.
The flea market Air Force Ones, which are pretty sick, actually. And then I got a couple pairs coming in as well. The Vans Joe Fresh Goods, and I got the black off-white Air Force One mids coming in.
Ask you on camera in case people want to see it, since you didn't mention it. Got the Jackie Robinson lows.
Oh yes, that's right.
So I feel like that should, those are almost probably a 9 for me, and I don't know if I've given any shoes a 9 yet.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, she hit on the
undefeated.
First come first serve at undefeated. So yeah, we might have to do a wear review of those down the line. Okay, well, any last comments on this? You like this tongue?
I love the textures in the shoe. I think if it was just the normal nylon and normal leather swoosh, I would probably have gone down to just a 7.
Yeah.
But because of the textures, I don't have anything like them with that.
Yeah. And And you'll have to be careful not to snag the swoosh on anything.
We'll see.
Uh,
Do my best.
but yeah, these are sick. Can't go wrong with Jordan 1s.
No.
And especially a unique pair like these. I think this is a great women's Jordan 1.
I do too. Jordan
All
ones are
right.
my
Thanks
favorite.
for watching. Please subscribe.